How to fix Spotify Wrapped not showing. Hello guys and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you a quick fix and it will definitely help you. It will work 100% on how to fix your Spotify Wrapped not showing on your homepage or to your email. So first of all, the first thing to try, it's really easy but helps the majority of people. So you just have to go to your Play Store, search for Spotify. After that, you have to update the app if it says so. And if you do not have the update app, it's okay. I have another method for you. So now we will have to go to our settings, scroll down, and then go to apps. From here, you can either scroll down until you find Spotify, or you can just click on the search icon, search for Spotify, click on the app, and then from here, you will have to go to storage. And now you have to clear the data and the cache. So you have these two buttons from the bottom of the screen. After that, you will have to log out from your Spotify and then log in again. And if it's still not working, just go to settings here and click on force stop. And if you have an iPhone, just offload the app. After that, you have to restart your phone. And please tell me in the comments if it's working for you, and if it's not, I will help you to fix this problem as quickly as possible. So make sure to comment in the comment section down below. And if this video was helpful, you can like it and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one and for more videos and updates about Spotify Wrapped. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.